What is up guys, my name is Mike. And welcome back to the ICO Investor channel. Today we are going to discuss another gaming platform called Voxie Tactics. But before we begin, please notice our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor. So, this video is for informational and educational purposes only. So, without further ado, let us begin. Voxie Tactics is a retro-style tactical RPG that is heavily influenced and inspired by the vein of classical 1990s and early 2000s tactics games with modern twists. The game features two core gameplay modes, exploration and battling, as well as lots of ancillary RPG gameplay mechanics that you would expect from any role-playing game. As you explore the world of Voxie Tactics, you uncover the backstory of the game and explore the vibrant world. There are many hidden surprises to uncover as you play and explore, and multiple different ways you can approach different problems you will undoubtedly encounter in the world. We look forward to players exploring the world we have created for Voxie Tactic and uncovering the mysteries contained within. Voxie Tactics is a free-to-play game that allows the player to bring their own Voxies character from the Voxies NFT project across into the game. The game will be a turn-based battle game with up to 7 Voxies battling monsters, bandits, evildoers, and even other players in our PvP modes. What are Voxies NFTs? The Voxie NFT project consists of 10,000 Genesis Voxie characters with 20 classes, 10 races, 20 companion types, countless physical attributes and multiple weapons, items and visual cosmetic elements. No two Voxie in the NFT series are the same. Player-owned Voxies provide an enhanced playing and earning experience, beyond the free-to-play aspects of the Voxie Tactics game, and enhance the player experience in the following ways. Higher rate of in-game rewards, NFT items and VOXEL tokens, through improved RNG, random number generation in exploration mode. Having access to certain weapons and items already contained in the NFT token. Some Voxies in the NFT series have a companion pet already included, so will not need to find a companion pet in the game to help with certain gameplay elements. Some rarer Voxie NFT classes and races will only be available to Voxie NFT holders. The original 10,000 Voxie NFTs will be the only ones that can mint, for example create, new next-generation Voxie NFTs. A free-to-play and play-to-earn game. Free-to-play game Voxie Tactics will be free to play for any player who wants to enjoy the game. All players will be able to play, earn and own the VOXEL utility token, as well as in-game items from the game's NFT. Players will be able to decide whether they want to use the assets they own in-game, or take any of the following actions with their items in our game marketplace. Selling, trading, loaning, crafting, infusing their items. Players can also move their VOXEL tokens out of the marketplace and into third-party exchanges to convert into another cryptocurrency, or US dollars, euros, pesos, and more. Its story and lore. In a world where cryptocurrency realities and gaming tropes are on every adventurer's mind, Voxies will rise and make a stand against third-party intermediaries and excessive regulation. In the world of VoxChain, the Defiance is a player who must stake everything to bring about a new world order. They will embark upon an incredible journey of discovery across all corners of the VoxChain. It will be up to the player to unravel the mystery, craft their own fate, and join the Defiance. VOXEL Token. VOXEL tokens, VOXEL, are an ERC-20 cryptocurrency token. They can be earned by playing the Voxie Tactics game in various game modes, as outlined in the previous sections of this white paper. VOXEL token holders will be able to redeem their VOXEL tokens for in-game items in the Voxie Tactics marketplace, weapons, armor, consumables, etc. Holders will also be able to craft items using their tokens and consumable items, as well as use the VOXEL token to pay entry fees to the Voxie Tactics PvP arenas. Token distribution. There will be 300 million Voken tokens in total, and they will be distributed into the follow categories. For the play-to-earn rewards, Q1 2022 to Q4 2027, its Voxen token amount is 150 million. Voxie NFT Community Token Distribution, August 2021 to January 2022, 6 million. Initial public/private sale, 45 million. Always Geeky Games, 72 million. Advisory Board, 15 million. Ecosystem and Growth Fund, 12 million. Play-to-earn rewards and economy. 50% of the VOXEL token allocation will be reserved for in-game rewards, when completing quests in exploration mode, and for rising up tiers in the PvP arenas. This allocation is meant to stabilize the Voxie Tactics economy as it grows in the initial release of the game. The Always Geeky Games team will monitor the situation closely to decide whether a lockup period on earned rewards are needed, depending on overall economy fluctuations. VOXEL tokens earned through the play-to-earn allocation would be immediately open for use in-game, as well as in trading both in-game and on the external markets. Initial public and private sale. Always Geeky Games Incorporation will be launching a VOXEL token sale ahead of the initial Voxie Tactics game release. The initial dates and distribution methods for the token sale will be announced in the near future in their community Discord, on social media and other communication platforms. Stay tuned for more information on the initial public listing. Advisory boards. Always Geeky Games has assembled an advisory team to consult on KPIs for the Voxies project and Voxie Tactics game. They will also be leveraging their expertise in building a successful startup company. Any excess funds not used toward the advisory board in the first 3 years will be rolled over to future advisors after 2024. Current list of advisors as of November 2021 are: Justin Taylor, Head of Consumer Marketing for Twitter, former Head of Social and Marketing at Activision; Jeff Pabst, Chief Revenue Officer of FaZe Clan; Board Elon, Crypto Influencer and Blockchain Gaming Specialist; Shreyansh Singh, Head of NFT and Gaming at Polygon. Marketplace. Voxie Tactics will have its own marketplace allowing players to safely and securely buy, sell, loan, trade and craft Voxie assets. This will be represented both through an in-game interface and a web interface on a traditional marketplace website. Revenue from the marketplace. Always Geeky Games Incorporated will be charging the following transaction fees in its marketplace. Buying/selling, 4% fee of the transaction sale. Loaning, option 1, loanee pays a loaner a fee upfront, 4% of the transaction cost. Option 2, loanee pays a percentage of VOXEL tokens earned to loaner during the duration of the loan, 4% of the token earned. Trading, 4% of the trade value. They will be using an average of the latest comparable sales and the current floor price using API calls to determine the correct fee. Crafting of minting new, next-generation Voxie NFTs. No fee, it only requires crystals. Revenue from the arena, draft mode, will be flat fee for entry, and will be announced before the start of each season. Revenue from the class changes, flat fee, TBD. Fee distribution breakdown. All fees outlined above will be moved into the Treasury smart contracts and redirected into the following areas, with 60% of the in-game fees going back to the player economy. Here's the fee breakdown. In replenishing exploration rewards would be 30%. In replenishing PvP arena rewards it's 30%. And for Always Geeky Games Incorporation is 40%. And here I introduce to you some of the team members of Voxie. Steven, founder and CEO. A passionate games developer with over 15 years of experience in AAA games development. Ash, co-founder and CCO. Game developer with extensive experience of customer servicing needs. Ollie, game audio and sound effects. A relentless serial entrepreneur with more than 15 years of experience as an audio engineer. He is notably known for lowballing Ryan on his dream loops. And now, let us take a quick look on Voxie's Twitter page. We can see here on Voxie's pinned tweet that says, "The time has finally come. Voxies, VOXEL tokens will be the next big Binance Launchpad project, used to power Voxie Tactics and provide utility and functionality to our players. This is only the beginning." Voxie joined Twitter back at early March this year, and it currently has 47.8k followers. And for more info about Voxie you can search up on Twitter at Voxies NFT. And here's the roadmap of Voxie Tactics. Phase 1 completed. Voxie's NFT project sold out. Weapon naming competition. 20 avatars. Tons of giveaways and raffles for the community. Phase 2 completed. New website relaunch. End of NFT sale raffle giveaway for Tesla car and other prizes. Collection quests. VOXEL token weekly drops. Playable demo. White paper. Phase 3 ongoing. Egg hatch for companion reveal. VOXEL token distribution. Game launch. Marketplace. Phase 4, 2022 upcoming. Crafting and forging. Sandbox integration for avatars and the Voxie Tavern. More Voxies, weapons, quests, items and features. And that is all for Voxie's Tactics. Come visit our channel, subscribe and watch out for our next videos here at ICO Investor Channel. Thank you for watching.